Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. This is Matt, and in this video I'm going to be going over a site called leadsleap. All right, now as you can see, I have a couple leads coming in passively. This is just me setting up a single ad like a week in advance and letting it run. Okay, so as you can see here, on the 24th I got 10 leads. In one day I got 2 leads. Let's see, this is as of this morning. I got 2 leads. And as you could go down the list, I'm just getting leads either daily, once, twice, three, up to 5 times a day, or every other day as well too as you go down the list here. Now, and I'll show you how I'm doing that right now. I'm going on to a mailer, an ad mailer called Herculist. Okay, I call it like a 5 or 6 in 1 ad platform that you could post ads, send solo ads, and you could do a bunch more, which I'm gonna go over right now. Okay, so first you have your ad mailer here. Okay, you could just go in here and then you could click on the ad mailer. It is urged that you could upgrade right away, so you could send ads out to more people, because free members you could send out uh ads ads to like only about 1,000 people. If you do decide to upgrade, you send out more than over 100,000 people on the list. Okay, so I do recommend you doing that. So what you could do is send. Oh, and then you could send out every other day. You cannot send out every day as a free member. So here, all you have to do is pretty simple. Each day, every 24 hours, you just put in your subject line. Okay, and then you just put in your plain body text with your link. Okay, and then the test URL, you put in your link or even a YouTube video as well too. And you just hit submit ad. Okay, now there is other functions on here as well too. We'll go to that. Let me back up a little bit here, and I'll tell you what else I do as well too. So we're gonna go to solo special offers. And this is really important that you also include this, even though this part costs money, but it's very cheap for the amount of results you get. So I do the solo ads, which is only $20, and then I mix and match it. I come down here, okay, all the way down here, and then go down there, Herculist, Volta login ads, okay. So all you have to do is click here, and this is the eye blast, okay. So you need increased traffic, you need increased sales, you need proven buyers, you need a marketing success, you need results, then you need eye blast, okay. And then you just go down here, put in your information, your first name, email address, a select line of ad, website address, okay, and then the body of the ad, and then once again you're gonna put in um, the link to your opt-in form, whatever you're promoting. I do recommend you using an opt-in page, and in the link below I'll have a free software that you could do that with. Okay, and let me go here, back here. Let's see, back out of that, and then you're gonna go back to. So as I said earlier, you go do a solo ad as well too. Only $20. I know you won't get that much cheaper than that. Solo ads from Udemy, I don't think they work quite as well. I haven't had much success as I am having with Herculist. So we'll go ahead and click on that now. It's pretty simple as well. Just put in your name, select line of ad. Once again, you're going to put in the body, okay? And you also will uh, enter in your web address, okay? Now I do have uh, a software that could generate cold emails on demand, okay? Because I know how a lot of people have a hard time with generating copyright emails and sales letters and all that. I do have a software that I could put out another video. I have other videos with that as well too, that you could just create your own cold email and lead follow-up series and put it in this, and it's just as simple as that, team. So if you like what you're seeing, go ahead and click the link below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Take care.